right in the middle of a murder trial. The titanic forces of good and evil, life and death, the criminal justice system, very heavy stuff. I'm cross-examining the cop about the detective, about the route that my client was supposed to have taken when he allegedly met the victim, and then then later on where they had some words, and later on where the shooting, the killing, the murder was supposed to have taken place. And I got a big map up there, and I got my laser out, and I'm showing him it's around MacArthur Park, right? I say to the cop. He says, yeah, that's right. I said, you know, and I'm kind of trying to focus in on the exact spot, and I'm thinking Langer's Deli. And as I'm doing that, all of a sudden, there's another laser thing on the wall. It's the judge. And he's saying, Langer's Deli, yes, I know where that is. And he's got his laser on there, and I got my laser on there. And I'm kind of waiting for him to take his laser off, but he doesn't. And I asked the cops, and then they went, where'd they go to? Oh, Staples Center, right? And there's his laser, the judge's laser. It's driving me crazy.
So, what am I going to say? Judge, could you put your goddamn laser away? For God's sakes, you know, I'm trying to do something here. You know, I'm the guy who's asking the question.
So, when we approach, Your Honor, I can't say that. I mean, we approach, and I walk up there, me and the DA, and I said, Judge, you know, I got my laser. I just got my laser, you know. It's the first time I'm using it. I said, you know, I want to use my laser. He said, Murray, it's so much fun. I'm going to use it. I'll do it. Don't worry. I'll put it wherever you say. I'll put it wherever you say. Go ahead. Go back. What am I going to do? Fight with him? He's the judge. This is what's called a power relationship. He gets to control the video game. He's got the stuff.